They told you be quiet. They told you sit down. They told you wait your turn. But the quiet ones have been building. The bold ones have been calling the vision out. This is what they did not tell you. Low in the cave, building what they are while they sleep through the wave. Quiet in the shadows, but the vision burned bright. Darryl in the lab, turning cold into light. Adriane Mayes on the rooftop, voice ringing loud, saying my brother Darryl Gaines built something, come see it now. 8 names on the list, that is movement, not noise. Baby, go chapter. Now it is time to own your voice.
They told you stay small. They told you stay safe. They told you the stage was not made for your face.
But the 1% know
we were built for the climb. Legacy in motion, it is only a matter of time.
these
All the things they did not tell you. Own it, design it, the future belongs to you.
family,
Faith, fears, finance, fitness, rise, focus on the solution. Open up the sky.
these
All the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint. Now we building it true. Introvert builders, quiet
One
with the
fire, baby, go chapter. We taking it higher.
Yeah, June 6, June 7, mark it down in stone. Pitch competition coming, but we are not coming alone. Apps built with AI, this community was raised. Every builder ready, every gift gets praised. Strategy locked in, the vision is clear. Megaphone loud, and your moment is here. Sunday night practice, that is the bell, that is the ring. 8 builders, one stage, let the quiet one sing.
They told you stay small.
No.
They told you stay safe. They told you your story should not take up space.
But the 1% know
We were built for the light. Legacy in motion. We were made for this fight. These are the things they did not tell you.
own it, design it,
The future belongs to you.
family,
Faith, fears, finance, fitness, rise. Focus on the solution. Open up the sky. These are the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint. Now we building it true. Introvert
Builder,
quiet
ones
with the
fire, baby, go chapter. We taking it higher.
For the one who never raised their hand, for the one who built quiet with $1 billion plan, for the one who thought their voice was too small. This is your moment. Stand up tall.
Own your family,
Own your faith.
own your fears,
Own your blaze.
own your finance.
Own your fitness.
After all these years,
Focus on the solution. The problem is not the prize. Quiet builders, bold believers. It is time to rise.
these are the things they did not tell you.
Own it, design it,
The future belongs to you.
family.
Faith, fears, finance, fitness, rise. Focus on the solution. Open up the skies. These are the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint.
Now we building it true.
Introvert,
Builders,
quiet
ones
with the
fire, baby, go chapter. We taking it higher.
The quiet ones, the builders, the 1%ers, billionaires in the making, on a journey toward God's design.
These are the